pizza oven conversion kit for the 22-ounce Blackstone, which is 22-inch, not ounce.
It's heavier than that, I promise. If you get one, it's definitely heavier than 22 ounces. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And we are back in the beautiful state of Utah, which is actually where we have spent the most time since we have been on the road traveling.
We actually just headed south for a few days and spent some time in Moab, where it's much warmer down there. We got to take the Jeep out, hit some trails. We floated the Colorado with some dear friends of ours.
Yeah, and if you are into outdoor activities, Moab is a place that you have to put on your list because it is an absolute blast. We actually just got back to the RV and we are famished from a 5-hour road trip.
Yeah, so we wanted a quick and easy meal, and today we are making pizza pinwheels.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
You may have noticed that Blackstone just launched a new product. It's a pizza oven conversion kit for the 22-inch Blackstone, which is what we cook on.
And our favorite thing about this 22-inch Blackstone is that it fits nicely and neatly into one of our understorage compartments on our RV, which means we can travel with it and take it anywhere we go.
But right now we're having pizza envy, and we're trying to figure out what we can get rid of to fit the pizza oven conversion kit.
So if you get rid of like 50 dresses, we should then have enough space.
Anywho, we're envious over here.
So since we don't have the conversion kit yet, maybe, we'll see. We are going to make our own version of a quick and easy pizza that's a lot of fun.
We're making pizza pinwheels, bacon pepperoni pizza pinwheels, that is.
Right, so as with many of our recipes, the first thing that we are going to start with is bacon.
We like our pepperonis a little bit on the crispy side, so we're actually going to pre-cook our pepperonis prior to putting them in the pizza pinwheels. So I'm gonna start getting our pizza crust ready. So I'm gonna unroll the pizza dough, and then I'm just gonna kind of, since I don't have a roller, use my fingers and push it out just a little bit more.
These finger marks help to hold the sauce too.
Oh, does it? It sounds good. Sauce it up. It's like a work of art. Like Picasso over here. My pizza sauce. Since apparently I am the amateur this time, I must fix what I've done.
This time. We may have CJ'd the pepperonis.
Burnt them. We're gonna sprinkle our sauce with a little bit of garlic powder first, and then add our cheeses. So we're going mozzarella, of course, and then we had a little bit of Parmesan left over. So we're gonna blend these two together on our pizza pinwheels. I'm gonna do a relatively light coating because we don't want our pinwheels to be too thick. We definitely want a good amount of cheese cover. And then we kept going back and forth on whether we were going to put bacon and pepperoni together, but I think one's going to be bacon and one will be pepperoni. Pepperoni looks like it's ready to go, so we'll add that next.
So do like our pepperonis crispy. How you feeling? How your rolling hands feeling?
They're feeling good. All right. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Here we go.
Tuck that edge over and stick it down.
Definitely feeling like I should give you the honors of cutting.
Got a nice sharp knife because cutting dough is typically pretty tough, but looks like it's gonna work out all right. The bacon is looking good and crispy, so I'm gonna just chop that up right on the griddle with a spatula.
We're gonna put the pinwheels down on their sides. All right, pizza pinwheel number 2 coming up. This one is the bacon.
Some of us like more cheese than others.
That would be me. I would eat just a cheese, 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 and more cheese pizza.
Well, that's not a pizza, that's a cheesa.
You're a cheesa.
Just came up with that.
Yeah, we can tell. I'm gonna try to roll this one just a bit tighter.
Nicely done.
Thank you, thank you.
We've got a griddle full of pizza pinwheels. I think the pepperoni ones are ready to be flipped, so we're gonna do that. And I gotta be honest with you, it is smelling just like a pizza shop right here, and it is awesome. It smells so good.
Got some crispy ones in here.
The cheese melts out and crisps up nicely.
We're adding a little pizza sauce onto our serving plate because we want it for the dipping. Even though we have pizza sauce on our actual pinwheels, I went pretty light on the spreads. So that was a little bit challenging, just because the wind was rocking, moving in different directions, which makes it a little hard to keep the heat consistent from time to time.
Yeah, so these aren't the prettiest.
Yeah.
They didn't actually turn out exactly as we had pictured. However, they've got crispy cheese on the outside.
Which, fried cheese, yum.
Yeah,
I mean, you can't go wrong, right? Jinx. Let's dive in and give these bad boys a try.
It's so good.
Oh yeah, that'll do. And what's perfect is the dough is cooked all the way through.
Yep.
I got bacon.
I think I got pepperoni.
So good.
And it's so good.
So good.
The crispy cheese though really kind of makes it.
You gotta make these, you gotta try them. They're so good.
And really easy. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for everything Blackstone griddles, accessories, and seasonings. Thanks for watching us on the YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and click that bell so you get notifications for us and all the other great cooks, Nate, CJ, Betty, and Todd. And until next time.
Yeah. We will see you down the road.
And this is also a destination delicious. We will see you down the road.